Hi, I am Ashok Vishandass, Professor of Applied Economics in IIPA, New Delhi. Today we are going to discuss about the strategy of CSAT under the UPSC Civil Service Examination Preliminary. This is labeled as General Study Paper 2. It is said that wars are won not in the battleground but in the boardroom, and therefore strategy is extremely important. CSAT paper has 200 marks and one has to answer 80 questions. 2.5 marks for each correct answer and no mark for leaving it, but minus 0.83 marks for every incorrect answer. Minus 0.83 marks are also awarded for more than one answer, even if one of them is correct. It is said that curiosity never kills the cat. Many candidates ask me, sir, why minus 0.83? Why not 1? Why not 0.6? Why not 0.5? And so on and so forth. Let us understand why UPSC has decided minus 0.83. The negative marks is equal to marks allotted for each question divided by n minus 1, where n is the number of alternative, that means number of options. So each question carries 2.5 marks. It has to be divided by number of option minus 1, that means 4 minus 1 it will be the denominator, that comes out 0.83. In a limiting case, let us assume for the sake of understanding, a candidate does not know correct answer of any of those 80 questions, but he is randomly answering all 80 questions. There is a probability of 20 answers being correct, given that there are 4 alternatives. For 20 correct answers, you are awarded 50 marks, that means 2.5 into 20 marks, without actually knowing the answer. To neutralize the effect of undue advantage of these 50 marks you got by guessing, not for knowledge, 0.83 marks are deducted from each of other 60 questions you incorrectly answered by guessing. Thus, total marks will be 50 plus minus 0.83 into 60, which will become 0. The idea underlying this is that based on probability theory, UPSC ensures that no one gains a single extra mark for ignorance, that is, no reward for pure guess. Bottom line is, marks are awarded for knowledge and not for ignorance or guess. Let us remember, CSAT is a screening test. So qualifying marks is equal to 33% of total marks, that means just 66 marks. No advantage whatsoever at any stage of CS examination of UPSC for securing more mark in CSAT. When all 80 questions are attempted in allocated 120 minutes, one gets just 1 minute 30 seconds for each question. Many a candidate commit mistake due to short time of 1 minute and 30 seconds for each question. If you are one of those candidates who feel time is short, you don't have to worry. By targeting selective 50 questions, you would be getting 2 minutes and 24 seconds per question instead of 1 minute and 30 seconds. The probability of getting qualified increase by reducing the mistake due to hurry. Here, this is a simulation of expected marks under different permutation and combination. Let us look at this. All 80 questions you have attempted and no incorrect answer, and this is an ideal case scenario, and you got dream score of 200 upon 200. Now, you have still attempted in this scenario 80 questions, but unfortunately only 39 are correct and 41 are incorrect, and you got a score of 63, which is below the qualifying standard, that means below 66. Look at this 27. Now 27, when you attempt 27 and all are correct and no incorrect answer, you still qualify. And there are different permutation and combination where you qualify under these scenario. Now look at this 50. You have selectively identified 50 questions and 42 are correct and only 8 are incorrect. You got score 98, which is way above the qualifying standard of 66 marks. When you are selectively solving 50 questions, you are giving more time to each question. When you are attempting all 80 questions, you got 1 minute 30 seconds. But when you are attempting 50 questions, You are giving 2 minutes 24 seconds each, and this way you can qualify. Key takeaway from this strategy are: do not bite more than what you can chew. In their anxiety to attempt all questions, many candidates tend to commit rudimentary mistakes due to paucity of time. You can allocate more time per question by selectively targeting about 50 out of 80 questions without compromising with your chances of getting qualified CSAT. Probability of you qualifying CSAT increases if you are selective. Do not indulge in guessing if you have no idea about the right option. My best wishes to you for CSAT.